Hi everyone! Welcome back to another exciting lesson on idioms. This video will teach us about the idiom behind the eight ball. The idiom behind the eight ball means to be in a difficult or disadvantageous situation, often with limited options to escape. People commonly use it when they encounter challenges, setbacks, or pressure that hinder their ability to achieve success. For example, after missing the project deadline, he found himself behind the eight ball with his boss. Similarly, with so many bills piling up, she felt behind the eight ball financially. Origin and history. This phrase comes from the game of pool or billiards, where the eight ball is a crucial object in certain variations of the game. If a player finds their cue ball positioned behind the eight ball, it becomes difficult to make a legal shot, putting them at a disadvantage. The idiom has been in use since the early 20th century, gaining popularity in American English by the 1920s. Now it's your turn. Comment below with a sentence using behind the eight ball. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more idiom lessons. See you in the next video.